Hey guys, welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today we have another review of a Diode Dynamics product. If you've seen my previous videos with product reviews for this company, I have been thoroughly impressed. Today I expect to be impressed as well. So we will be doing an unboxing, the install, as well as a review. We're just going to wrap it all into one video so you can see everything to make up your mind if this is something you want to get for your new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the box. It is for a hitch mount light. It goes into where your trailer hitch is. It hooks up to the wiring. It's super simple to install. I'll be showing you that here in a minute. But just like the box itself, it's thick cardboard. You can tell that this company, just by the packaging, that they care about their product and that it is something that is nice and doesn't get damaged in the mail, unlike a lot of stuff from Amazon that you might see that's flimsy, it'll come ripped open. Not this. This is good quality cardboard. So let's open her up. So it comes with two bags. We have the wiring and then the actual hitch light itself. And of course, it comes with stickers as well, so you can put that on your car if you want to look cool. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So let's get started. We'll get this stuff out of the bag. We'll get over to the truck and we'll start the install. And another thing worth noting, the company Diode Dynamics, they also sell merchandise. So they have hats, they have shirts, really nice shirts. They're affordable, they're not super expensive, their hats are comfortable as well. So if you do end up buying something from them, definitely check out their store for clothing and accessories. It's definitely worth checking out. One thing worth mentioning that's super easy on a lot of their products, they'll actually have a QR code here that will include all the instructions that you need to actually install it. So with this product, you do get that. So all you do is scan it and it'll take you to either a step-by-step instructions or an actual video showing of the install. But if you are watching this video, I'll be able to show you how to install it. So once you get this in your hands, you should be able to get it installed pretty quickly. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the thing that's hooked up to the trailer hitch, and all you do is just pull really hard and it'll come out. This is what it'll look like. You take the harness that has two ends here and you grab it right here and you hook it up. As you can see, it lines up right here. We'll just push it in and we'll take this end and hook it back up here. All right, once you get that hooked up, you'll have this and you'll just take this and you'll put it in the trailer hitch and run it through. And once you get it ran through here, you grab this end, you look for the one with the clip on the top, and you take that and you stick it in right here, and it just clips in. You show that little clip, and all you have to do is just push this back in here, and there you go. As you can see, whenever you hit the brake light, it does actually flash for the first time. It is fairly bright here. And it does turn into a white light when you put the backup lights on. As you can see, it's really bright. I'll shoot another clip of this at nighttime so you'll really be able to tell the difference. But it is super nice. It is nice and bright. It does get the attention whenever whenever you're driving and you hit the brake lights. It is nice because you essentially get 3 brake lights, which is really, really nice. And there's the backup light again. I'll have to do another video at night to see how bright it is. But overall, I think it looks really nice. And here is how it looks with just the running lights on. It's just a nice little glow to it. And this is with the emergency lights on. You can see it actually flickers. That's what happens when you first hit the brake as well. It helps grab the attention of the driver behind you. And here we have it with it completely dark outside. We'll go ahead and hit the brakes here. As you can see, it did flicker down below. This is what it looks like with all the brake lights on. This is with the backup light, so you can see how much brighter it is than just the standard backup light. It is significantly brighter. And then you can see that this is the emergency flashers. You can see that it does flash in unison with the other lights as well. And with the emergency flashers off, it'll just have a constant red, like when the brake lights are not hit, and you can tell that it just kind of blends in with the tail lights. It's not super bright or annoying to the drivers behind you, but then whenever you hit the brake light, it does flash and light up so you're able to see it. So overall, I do really like the hitch mount light. I do think it's worth it. It is very good quality. It was super easy to install. Takes less than a minute. You just plug stuff in, plug and play. There's no stripping of wires, splicing of wires, anything super complicated. That's one thing that I really like about Diode Dynamics, is a lot of their products are plug and play that don't require drilling or anything of that nature. I think this is a great thing and essential to have, especially if you're someone that's worried that someone might run into the back of you or may not pay attention with just your regular brake lights. The fact that it flickers whenever someone comes up behind you, whenever you hit the brakes, is super helpful and a really nice feature to have. They're not super expensive, which is also great. So overall, I would recommend it. It was easy to install. The packaging was great. The project itself is awesome. And the company is a company based out of the USA, which is also an added plus. So overall, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something about how to install these. I will put the link in the description. So if you are interested in buying it, just click that link and you can check it out there. And I'll see you on the next one.